So let me start. Online team, my voice is clear, I guess. Sorry. Yeah. We are running with simple linear regression. Good going. Good going then. Now, so I will explain one more time. You will get an idea. Let us spend today some good amount of the time for your better understanding. Running nodes number 84. Okay. Simple linear regression. Now, upcoming topic name is called as a multiple linear regression. That's it. Multiple. Team, make a note. The first point is the Python. Daniel, where Python is helping? By using Python, simple we can write a program. We can write a, so the program, we can write a program. That program contains some logic. That program contains some, that's it, right? The second one, you should know about the pandas. By using pandas, what we can do? Data analysis. A kind of some data frame. These are all things actually. Ikkada backbone topic and ikkada actually for this we are using the topic. We are using the topics. What are the topics we are using here actually? Kind of some flow control we are using, data structures we are using, functions we are using, etc. To write a Python program, yes, so we are using the certain topics actually. By using pandas, we can do the data analysis. To do the data analysis, what is the core topics actually, chapter? Series? Yo, chapani. The next one, data frame. Yeah, coming to the point. Third topic, machine learning. By using machine learning, let me tell you, we are doing prediction. We are doing, make a note on this. I'm highlighting the points actually. To create a program, these are all topics we are using. To do the data analysis, these are all topics we are using. In machine learning, to do the prediction, what topic we need to use, algorithms. That's it, simple, straight to the point. Ante, machine learning ane topic lo, I'm sorry, let me speak in English. In a machine learning, we have all algorithms. We have all. These algorithms are helping us to do the prediction. That's it. To do what exactly? Are you clear about this? Good. Right. Now, one of the algorithm, yesterday we have started. There is some process you need to be follow. Prediction means, Daniel, I can do like this, prediction will come. No, sir. There is some process actually. You have to follow some process. To do the prediction, there is a process. There is a process. there is a process to do what exactly, sir? Prediction. All right, then get ready, come on. So, so imagine yesterday we have taken kind of some data set. When you're talking about the regression, I'm talking about the linear regression. Linear regression actually. By using linear regression, we can draw over the line. We can draw a line over the data actually. There are two types of linear regression. The first one will be chaptara, simple linear regression. The next one will be multiple linear regression. Okay. The second one is called as a multiple linear regression. When I say simple linear regression, sir, how simple it is, it is a one input and one output. Chaptara, one input and one output. That's it. You can also call as a one feature and one target in a simple terminology. You can also call as a one X and what exactly? One Y. That's it. And making Kardame terminology. These are all, ensure that make a note. Perfect. Oh, sorry. Then Daniel, what do you mean by multiple linear regression? Sir, simple, sir. Kind of some two inputs. Let me talk about here what exactly, two inputs and one output. And here two features, two or more. So when I say two, actually, don't think like only two, either two or more. Let me use this terminology. This we can talk later more. And one output actually. Chappan sir, one, two or more XL. I mean to say X1, X2, next one will be X3 and one Y. Great going actually. Let's move on. Yesterday we started a discussion. The discussion name is called as a simple linear regression. What is the topic name, sir? Simple linear regression. There is a column. The column name is a area. The next column, not rice packs. We are habituated to this data set, right? This one is called as a price. What is that one? Yeah. Now let me tell you. Imagine kind of some X1 value. Price is the area is the X1. Then definitely there is a price Y1. There is a area X2. Then definitely what is the price, sir? Y2. X3. Talk with me. Y3. Now what, by using algorithm, what we are doing, by using ML, we need to give so and so X10 value. We need to give some new input actually. ML algorithm need to do the prediction. That's what we are going to solve the problem statement actually. Adi manu solve chese problem. I'm sure you are clear, I guess. Can I continue? Let's move on. Y10. This is called as a ML prediction. What prediction, sir? ML prediction. I mean to say, this is existing data. We need to take existing data. By using that data, we need to train the algorithm. We need to train the algorithm. After training is over, then the next step is so called as a prediction. Next step is so called as a very simple, straight to the point. Can we do it quickly actually? Yeah, go back. It's very simple, very simple. I can jump into the directly example. Why? Because yesterday we already started actually. I don't want to make you to feel bored. Click on this, jump into the example, Control F, demo1.py. Yep, demo1.py. Here we are. Okay. Then the next example. Any idea what we're doing? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, right? Let's do this one very quickly. Notepad++, did I covered? Did I cover Notepad++? I need one. Oh, it's okay. Then first I need to cover the Notepad++, sir. Why? Because Notepad++ seriously very good when you are working with the machine learning actually. Good. Let me tell you. First of all, let me uninstall in my laptop. Then yesterday నేను notepad లో execute చేశానా? Okay. Okay. Sir, there is one small text editor I am planning to explain. There is one small text editor. What do you mean by that? This is something like a notepad, but it is advanced to notepad actually, which is called as a notepad++, which is called as a, in companies you should ever, whenever you are working in a company, it would be good to know. Almost all companies are using Notepad++ actually. Simple, just something like a Notepad only, but there are some extra activities you can perform. I will show you example. Good. First of all, Notepad++. Point number one, it is called as a text editor, sir. What is that? Text editor. By using this, we can write program. We can write what exactly? Program. We can write a program. Till now, we have written a programs in a Notepad. Now, today onwards, let us use Notepad++. Let us use, it's a very simple, very simple. First of all, you have to download and install. What we need to do, sir? Download and install. It is not freely available. I'm sorry. I mean, by default, it is not available. If you install Windows, I mean, if you are using Windows operating system, only Notepad you will get actually. What you will get, sir? But not Notepad++. Then Daniel, how to download? Go to the Google. Yeah, many ways, sir. Microsoft Store also we can do, but this one is the best approach. Notepad++, download Notepad++ actually. Only two plus symbol, Notepad++. You click on this. Ela untundi. Notepad++, we are with some kind of okay, we are with Ukraine. It's okay. You can ignore this version. You can just try to go with this version. It might be kind of some development version. There are some stable version also. That is okay. You can download this. Sir, logo ela untundi. Notepad++ logo ela untundi. Click on this. There is one small gift for you actually. Software gift actually. Click on this. It is getting download avutundi. Yeah, go downloaded successfully. Now what we need to do, so just to give a double click, that's it. Are you with me? Just give a double click. Now I need your help. Yes or no? Click on yes. Close these are all. Click on. That's it, man. Click on. That's it. Agree. Next. No need to do. These are all not required actually. Just click install. Click, sir. That's it. It is getting installing. Finish. Cinema is over. I don't want to run immediately. Click on close. Successfully installed actually. Successfully what happened? Install. I will do one thing. I will open Notepad++. I will write one hello world example. Then I can proceed with machine learning example. More clarity for you. Is it okay for you? Right. To open the Notepad++, what we need to do, go to the Windows and here you need to type Notepad++. Chudandi miru. The moment when you install along with the Notepad++, you will get actually. Yeah, good. Maybe previously let's delete this. Let me open again. Windows. What I need to type, sir? Notepad++. Click on this. You will get here new one. And here you can type your example. Print kind of some hello. You can just have to type hello. That's it. Now save this example. Control S you can use. Control S you can use. These are all operations you no need to learn actually as of now. Control S. Now go to the desktop. And here what is the name? Yeah, go to the coding. What is the name, sir? Demo1.py. And whenever you are working with Notepad, what you used to choose here actually? Here not required. Just only name same of the file actually. By default it will use. That's the power actually. Click on save. Yeah, click on save. Here you can see some colorful. A kind of some, print of follow you can see. Minimize and get ready. And let me run this example. This example would be very easy, sir. Same thing like a normal Notepad only, sir. Yeah, Daniel, it is getting running. Did you understand? Very simple, right? Now, good. Let's move on. Now, machine learning example, let us just try to use Notepad actually. Chaptara, what is the first topic actually? Here, the first topic is a simple linear regression. What is the topic name? Simple linear regression. Get ready. Today we have to close this algorithm. Did you remember step number 1? Step number 1 gurtunda meeku? What is the step number 1? You have to remember all those steps actually. Importing the libraries. What are libraries we are importing? Import pandas as PET. Now, step number 2. What is the step number 2? Loading the data set. What is the step number 2? Loading the data set. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And what is the price? What is the file name? Home prices. Online team, I hope you are following. Let us print the data frame. Data frame now, sir, print cheddam chudandi. It will give some recommendations you can ignore. Whenever you are typing the print, actually, it is giving some recommendations. Are you looking for PD, pop, popcorn, print? These are all things actually, not popcorn, sir. Right? You can just try to ignore that. You can skip on. Yeah, good. DF. Pull the file. Here you can easy to identify on which line we are. So imagine if something went wrong here, you can highlight this line. You can even highlight this line. You can easy to remember. Where are we? Where are we? Pull the file. Did I uploaded the file yesterday? Oh, you have to remind me, right? Good cheyali kada mari. Can I tell your answer? You should remember, right? Now let us run. Yeah, we are ready. We are ready actually, right? So take this example. Yesterday we already done this example. And the next step will be, any idea next step? Let us apply data visualization. What is the data visualization? I already explained yesterday. Creating the plot. Sir, whenever you are plotting, this one is the area, this one is the price actually. This is really beautiful. On an average existing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data points would have actually. Let me tell you. If x-axis data and y-axis data having the relationship, then the data travels like a downside direction to upwards direction. Downward direction to. And also you can think like the data exactly travels like a line actually. Okay, line la travel the data actually. Then you can confirm x and y having the relationship. X and y having? Perfect. You understand this role yesterday. Now loading the data set. Sir, data preparation. This step is major step actually. Even yesterday I have covered major step. First of all, step number 3. Data preparation. What do you mean by data preparation? Data preparation in the sense, prepare X and Y. Prepare input and output actual. Chappan sir, prepare input and output. Let me tell you, here would you have a data frame. In data frame, everything would you have. Input would you have, output would you have. But when it comes to machine learning, no. We have to specify. Hey, ML algorithm, this is the input. ML algorithm, this is the output. You need to tell. That is called as a prepare X and Y. Prepare what exactly, sir? Input means X actually. And output means what exactly, no? Y. Very good. Hope you understand. One small important point. X and Y should be, chaptara? Yeah, should be in array format. Array format only. A format lo undali. The next point. X should be, very good. X should be column format. And Y should be, nice, very good. Can I go to the next line for your more clarity? Y should be row format. Perfect. That's it, man. If you really understand these are all, now you have to prepare the data in such a way that good. Now first let us prepare X, means input. Sir, in the given data, what is input actually? Prepare that. Let us just have to prepare actually. Come on. Area manam prepare cheddam chudandi. New underscore df equals to df of drop of then drop cheddam price. And why I am dropping also you need to think. Axis equals to, you can just have to make it like a columns actually. Then finally, of course, this is the data frame, Daniel. This one will be new df. This is new data frame actually. Chudandi okkasari. Come on, look at my screen. I request you everybody look at my screen. Wow. This one is a data frame. From the data frame, we have dropped a single column. What is the column name? Price. Now you got input, you got that too. The format is a single column data frame. What is the format? Do you think machine learning algorithm will digest this format actually? No. We need what actually? Array. Right. If it is a single column data frame, you can just try to simply call dot values actually. You will get your expected output. That's why we converted like this actually. అందుకును మనం ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసాం. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Very good. Now you do one thing. Dot values you can call. What you can call, sir? Dot values. Very good. Yeah, Daniel. We are ready. Very good. Now X is ready. What is ready? Cheppandi, sir. Sir, let me tell you. There is a one more good question. Sir, there are many ways to convert in this one. I will explain step by step actually. Instead of dropping, you can go for ILOC also. You can go for LOC also. Don't ask what is LOC and ILOC actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now you can just have to come here. X is ready, Daniel. New underscore df dot values. ఇక్కడ నేను X print చేయనా? Is it okay for you? Let me run this one. You will get an idea. Wow. Sir, input is ready. What is ready? Input what format? Array format. And next one will be column format. Yeah, ready. Output should be row format. To get output, how fun it is, ఇది ఎంత ఫన్ ఉంటుందంటే మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. First of all, let us just have to print the data frame. Yeah, Daniel, we are getting the data frame. Data frame is ready. What is output column here? చెప్పండి సార్. Price. Get that price. Price ని మీరు తెచ్చుకోండి. Now I have a question for you. What is the output format? మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఫార్మాట్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? అయ్యో, then punishment. Pandas 10 times revision. Pandas how many times? Cheppandi. Somebody told actually. Series. What format, sir? Series. Fat no cherry party. By this time you should be strong in pandas. By this time you should be. It's okay. You will do actually. Sir, single column. I mean to say series data we got it. What data? But do we need this data? No. What is the format required? Array. The two row. Please understand. ఇవన్నీ మీకు గుర్తుండాలి. Output should be array. Second condition, row. Are you with me? Good. Here is the story. Over this series, if you apply dot values, see the beauty. మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా array వస్తుంది, row వస్తుంది. One operation కి మీకు oh my god. First of all we got array. Second one we got a row format. Now what we need to do? Y also ready. Y equals to దీని టోటల్ మొత్తం మీరు ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి. యా డానియల్, ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై ఈజ్ రెడీ. పర్ఫెక్ట్ యాక్చువల్. ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై రెండు కూడా రెడీ అయినాయి. ఐ నీడ్ వన్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా? ఏమరే? గుడ్, ఫైన్ దెన్. సో ది స్టెప్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ డేటా ప్రిపరేషన్. ఈ స్టెప్ను మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే డేటా ప్రిపరేషన్. స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 3 విచ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ డేటా ప్రిపరేషన్ మీన్స్ X and Y. We are preparing input and output actually. We are good to go. చూడండి. Yeah, we are ready. Till now easy? Very easy. I have one small question. నేను ఒక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, చెప్పండి. You have to respond. From the data frame, why you are dropping price actually? మనం ఎందుకు డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నాం? Yeah, may ensure that to get input actually. That too, this is the single column data frame. Now we are looking for single column array. Then if it is a single column data frame, directly you can call values attribute boss. What attribute? The beauty will be, it will give array, it will give column. That's the beauty. Andukunu manam. Why we are doing these are all steps, we are just trying to making into the transform actually. Transform, right? Now if you want, you can just try to print input. Now sir, print cheyandi meeru. Let me just try to print input actually, and let me just try to print output. Then you will get a clear picture. Online team, thank you sir. I hope you understand. మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను, ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్. అదర్వైజ్ లెట్ మీ నో. ఓ, make a note on this one. Very good sir. Daniel, this one is a data frame. Yeah, any idea what is this? Input. Any idea what is this? Ready. Are you ready? Now let me reveal the secret. Daniel, why this format? This format ఎందుకో తెలుసా? Let me tell you matrix calculation in the backend. What calculation? Matrix calculation, right? Take the first value and here first value. Take the second value here, second value. Take the third value here, second value. Super fast calculation. That's why it accept in this format. అందుకు నీ format లో accept చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? గుడ్, వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. టేక్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Steps from 1 to 3. And any idea what is the step number 4? Step number 4 into gurtunda meeku? Daniel, we didn't remember. That is okay. Step number 4 is somebody told actually. Thank you. Splitting the data set. Today let us make it optional. Today let us make it what exactly? Optional. I will tell you why optional. If you are having small data, don't do splitting actually. Best example, my father bought 5 images only. Instead of 100 images, how many images he bought it? 5. Sir, if it is the 5 images, if my father is splitting 5 to 2, 3 to 2 actually, sorry, very less data. If you are having small data, don't apply splitting. If you are having big data, then only you need to apply splitting operation. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? It's okay. It can be still optional. Optional. Move to the next step. Wow. Come on, sir. Can you read actually? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. What is the next step? Very good, madam. Model creation. Like this, you need to be remember. These steps are kuda meeku gurtundali. Indirectly, steps are helping. Steps are helping. Sir, what do you mean by model creation? You know, model means algorithm actually. Think like that. So nothing. Algorithm name they have created by using class name. They have created by using class name. You have to import actually, right? Okay, I understand, sir. Anusha, sir, use Notepad. We are habituated to Notepad actually. I understand, but let me tell you, Notepad is the best. I mean, slowly by slowly you have to digest. Initially, even Notepad also, you people won't like actually. I'm sorry. Machine learning, I need to explain in Notepad. Why? Because, you know, మీకు ఈ ఫార్మేట్ కానీ this looks pretty good actually. One example, try to understand, then it will be feel very easy actually. I'm sorry, ma'am, Anusha garu. Can I get a response from you? Okay, move on. Sir, can you tell me what is the next one? Step number 5. Step number 5 should be what exactly? Cheppan andaru. Yeah, what do you mean by model creation, you know? Yeah, sir, model creation in the sense, there is a one class we have to import. That class name is a linear regression. What is the class name? Linear regression. Whenever you are working in a Notepad++, all keywords, it is representing with blue letter. All keywords representing with what letter? Blue color actually. Make a note on this one. And this one is a package name. That is still okay. That is still okay. Still okay. Still okay. Sir, any idea? What is this? Class or function? How can we say? Capital letter. Right. Here is the point. Importing the class. What is the next step? Creating an object. What is the next step? Calling the method. That's it. Now the framework will be, I mean to say, important points. What are the points actually? ఈ పాయింట్స్ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Step number 1, importing the class. The next one, creating an object, calling a method. That's it. Yeah, చెప్పండి. Good question. We can take the same data. Best example, let me tell you, my father bought 5 images. With 5 images he trained actually. For testing, he used the 5 images. That's okay. Okay. And anyway, the next example you will get more clarity. Intentionally, I kept hold, sir. Splitting data set, intentionally, I kept hold actually. Why? Because step by step, I will guide you. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah, good. Now come on, children. Model equals to linear regression. We are creating an object. Successfully, object is created, sir. Successfully, what is created actually? Object is created. Object is created for whom? Linear regression. Now here is a story. We guys are working with simple linear regression algorithm. Though this is the algorithm, you no need to create from scratch, madam. You no need to write the code from scratch actually. Already algorithm is created by somebody. Now you have to import, that algorithm they have created by using a class topic. By using, now what we need to do? Import the class, import class, then create an object. The moment whenever you are creating an object, line number 40, successfully algorithm is ready. Algorithm is ready. Can you tell me what is the next step actually? Yeah, very good. What is the next step? Train. Train. Till now, are you clear? Let me talk with online team. Online team, I don't know. So I need a huge response from everybody. I need response from everyone actually. I'm looking for, a shower of responses, please. Chapani. We can see Siddiq sir. We can see. That we can talk later. Nagisoro sir, thank you. Jyoti, Rishi sir. Very nice. Very nice. And it's the right time. I need to take a control. Good. Thank you. Thank you for your kind response. Sir, there are last 2 more steps are pending. Once you've done that one, then you will get a clarity actually. Now this step is very major step. Model training. What is the next step actually? Model training. Step number 6. Model training actually. Sir, to train the model, how simple it is, just we need to call a method. Just we need to call a method by using model object. By using what object actually? Model object. That's it, very simple. But one point I would like to tell. What is that point, The syntax will be model dot. Method name is a fit method. What method? Fit method. Fit method. Good. Fit method takes 2 parameters. Fit method takes 2 parameters. What are all these things, It takes input and it takes what exactly? Output. The moment whenever you are calling fit method, model will get start training actually. Best example, I wanted to build my muscle. I just wanted to build my muscle. I wanted to make my muscle should be fit actually. Fit means train the data. Train the model. Fit. A kind of some physical fitness. Actually. You can think like that. Sir, here is a story. Chudani ikkada meeru. Model dot. Cheppandi. X we need to provide. The next one, Y we need to provide. Can I tell you one more beauty here actually? Ikkada meeku oka beauty cheppantara. Model dot fit of. Cheppandi. Cheppandi input comma. Input should be what format? Input a format lo undali. Column format lo undali. Right? Column format lo undali. Let me do one small overaction actually. I'm sorry. I like it. O. L. You understand, I guess. U. M. Column format allow undali anamata actually. Am I right? Then this one should be row. Row means like that actually. Fit method, you need to provide column, you need to provide row. Previously, one student asked a question, Daniel, I will provide row here and I will provide a column here. You try, sir, you will get an error actually. You should not do like that. మీరు అలా చేయకూడదు యాక్చువల్గా. Are you with me or not, sir? Good, very good. I mean to say, sir, నేనేమంటున్నానంటే, do you want to train the model? We need to call a method. Method name is the fit actually. And for the fit, column data we need to provide. For fit, row data you need to provide. I'm pretty sure you got a clarity, I guess, actually. Are you with me or not, sir? First value, it will capture here. Second value, it will capture here. Third value, it takes care, man. Calculation, these are all things it takes care actually. This kind of representation you can never get anywhere else actually. Can I tell you one small point? Maybe this I'm not boasting. No trainer never highlight. If you want, you can check YouTube, anywhere else actually. Fit method, this one should be always column. You never had this kind of statement actually. మీరు ఇది ఎక్కడ ఇన్నుండో పోవచ్చు actual గా. I'm sure if anyone knows already machine learning, this is the point you never had actual. But this one is a reality. You should understand this. ఇది మీకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి actual గా. Yeah, thank you sir, thank you. But I'm not boosting. I'm telling there are some unique points you have to learn from my session actually. Right? Now fine, let's move on. So ముందుకు వెళ్దాం పదండి. Come on. So step number 6. Step number 6. What is the step number 6, sir? Chaptara? Model training. Sir, model training in the sense simple. You just need to call a method. That's it. Method calling we are learning since Python. Method calling మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం తెలుసా? Python. Especially there is a topic. The topic name is called as just methods in string. అక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఈ స్టోరీ యాక్చువల్లీ. Never ending story, right? Now talk with me. Model dot fit. Chaptara x comma y. That's it, sir. Your task is done actually. Here is a small story. I have one small question. Evarana chaptara what is the fit here? Method. How can you say it is the method? Method and మీరు ఎలా చెప్తారు? 2 points you need to answer. Point number 1, you are calling by using object. Point number 2, you are using parenthesis. That's it. No further discussion. అయ్యో సార్ దిస్ వీఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ సిన్స్ ఏ లాంగ్ యాక్చువల్ 2024 నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం మనం ఇవన్నీ కూడా, అవును కదా? యా, వావ్. డిడ్ యూ నోటీస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ టైమ్? కొంచెం టైం తీసుకుని అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? సార్ మోడల్ ఈజ్ రెడీ, మోడల్ ఈజ్ రెడీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ యాక్చువల్లీ? ప్రిడిక్షన్. కెన్ వీ రీడ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్? ఒకసారి పాయింట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇంపోర్టింగ్ ద లైబ్రరీస్, లోడింగ్ ద డేటా సెట్, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. Anyway, except the fourth step, we implemented every steps actually. That fourth step also we can do. If you are having a time today, we can do it today actually. Otherwise, we'll see. Let me make a note on this. Siddiq sir, a model is a blueprint of model object. When we create an object. Yeah, yes sir. We can still say that. We can still say that. Okay. I'm pretty sure. Let me take, these are all points actually. I need to keep in running notes. The heading should be, heading even to the delsa. Steps from 1 to, yeah, 1 to 6. 1 to 6. We are good to go. Sir, you know what is the next step actually? Next step into chaptara. Very good. Step number 6. Step number 7. Prediction. Simple. Here again one more method we need to call. That method name is called as a predict. What is the method name, sir? Predict. Right. Print of model dot predict. Hold on. Oksari session manu hold cheddam chudandi. Go back and get the data. Daniel, now what you are explaining actually? Sir, I am trying to explaining about the prediction. Okay. Now explain what do you mean by prediction. Asal prediction ante chuddam. Let us take existing data. Let me explain like a one small real-time scenario. You will get a clarity. This is the existing data. Sir, think like my brother, he's having real estate business. He's a real estate business. Just to recently he started. Just to think like 1 week back actually. Though 1 week back he started, he need to grow a lot actually. Then what he done, you know, he started collecting nearby houses, who are all houses are get ready to sell actually. Otherwise nearby land, who are all, you know, what are lands are getting ready to sell. Then I mean to say, first to owner number 1. Owner number 1, he has given a kind of some, you know, so owner number 1. I mean to say, yeah, first to owner data. 2600, 5,50,000. 3,000, 5,65,000. 3,200, 6,00,000 actually. Then what he done, you know, he started one small office room actually. Office room. And he has a brochure. He has what exactly, sir? Brochure actually. A kind of some, you know, a kind of some list of all above values. All above houses actually. All above what exactly? Houses. Now slowly by slowly customers started coming. Who is coming, sir? Customer. Imagine there is a person one came. There is a person one came. That person is asking, hey Prasad, my brother name is a Prasad. Think like that. My brother name is a Prasad. Think like that actually. Hey Prasad, can you tell me in KBHP location, I'm planning for the land 3200 actual. How much actually, sir? 3200, a kind of some area. How much price actually, chapter? Yeah, very good. You can tell 3200, how much actually? 6 lakhs 1000. Very good. Then my brother have a answer. Person number 2 came and he's telling, hey, I'm planning for 4000 square foot area actually. What is the answer? 7 lakh? Wow. Even we have an answer. But let me tell you, suddenly new customer came, sir. That new customer is asking a question. How interesting it is, that new customer. I'm looking for 3400 square foot. What exactly meant? 3400 square foot. Here is the story. First of all, if it is a existing value, my brother can estimate actually. My brother can tell. Now here, first of all, 3400 square foot is not we do have. We don't have actually. But my brother supposed, if my brother is not telling the answer, he can lose the customer. He can lose the customer. Here is the story. Then he called to Daniel. Then, he explained the problem. Dear brother, I have a real estate data. I have what data? Real estate data. If existing data anybody is asking, I'm giving left and right. I'm explaining like this corner, and everything I'm explaining. But suddenly someone is asking new data. My hands are getting shake actually. Why? Because you don't have. Then do one thing. Then once my brother explained about this one, I told, don't worry, it is very easy. Then we have created a ML algorithm. We have created what exactly, sir? Now ML algorithm will do the prediction. ML algorithm will do prediction. Did you understand? Like I explained like a good story actual. We'll do one thing. Now model is ready. Model is what exactly, sir? Frankly speaking, Prasad don't know the answer. Prasad don't know the answer actually. But he can estimate. He can estimate. What is estimation? Estimation into cheptara. Hold on. Estimation can be, let's take this data. Idi kada data. Entha adigaru? Customer entha adigaru? 3400 kada. Idi dini madhyalo undali. 3400 actually. Can you tell me the answer should be? Answer entha undalo cheptara? I can say in between. That answer should be. Ee answer entha undalo telusa? It should be greater than to this value. And it should be less than to this value. I'm sure it is in between actually. E madhyalo undali. It should be middle of this value actually. Can I get a response from you? For 3400 square foot, the answer should be greater than 6 lakhs 10,000. Next one will be less than 6 lakhs 80,000. Let us do by using ML algorithm. Let us do by using, very simple man. Chala simple actually. Now we have prepared the model. We have prepared what exactly, sir? Model actually. Chudani. You can just try to come here. Yeah. Model dot. Till now, are you clear, everybody? You need to call a model dot predict method. What method, sir? Predict method. What method? Predict method. Here you need to pass the value. That value will be 634. 3400. Hold on. One small notation actually. Machine learning algorithm always accept array data. Always accept, but you are giving plain value. It won't accept actually. Appudu mere em cheyalo telusa? You have to provide within the nested list actually. Then it will convert into array. I am repeating again. Machine learning algorithm always accept array data. You should not provide like this actually. It need array data. To provide the array data, at least you have to convert into nested list actually. Then it takes care about this one. Yeah, Daniel, I am ready. Do the prediction. Come on, chudandi prediction cheddam chudandi. Wow, very good, sir. Take this value. Ee value తీసుకుందాం చూడండి. Such a nice man. Exactly the value can be. This is called as a machine learning algorithm. చూడండి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా దీని ఎలా ఉంది అంటే in between 6,42,000, almost more trustable value, reliable value actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? I hope you understand. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, very good. Online team, I hope you understand. Here, to do the prediction, just we need to call a method. Method name is a predict. What is the method name? That's it. Your prediction will be over. We can, very good, sir. We can give, right. Please enter. Yeah, input, right? A equals to integer of, I hope you know why I'm converting integer actually. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. Please enter area. Area you're looking actually. Replace this one with A. Did you understand? Now let us run this example. Good. My brother will open the application. Sir, how much you want actually? Sir, I'm looking for 3400. I'm looking for what exactly? 3400. Sir, this is the price. That's it. This is the price. Are you with me? It's a very simple. Can I get a response from you? Very good. Take this example anyway. This one, I can talk this one later. Let us hard code as of now the value actually. Sir, this one is the first to basic ML algorithm, sir. If you really, very easy. You guys are think like machine learning means something like that. No. It is very easy. If you know Python pure basics. In Python, if you know what is a class, what is object creation, what is a method calling, that's it, man. Over actually. But back end, what is happening, I will explain step by step actually. Are you clear till now? Good. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you clear, sir? Maybe I'm sorry, yesterday I forget to upload the data set. Maybe, you know, so Karthik sir, you are right. How many model will, how many model will, sir, more than 10 models actually. In industry, we are using those models. Take this value. Charanji, step by step we are doing, sir. Just now we started the cinema. Machine learning is not at over actually. Today is the just first session. Steps from 1 to chapter 7. Chapter sir 1 to 7. These are all things we done actually. Hey Daniel, can we do prediction for 5,000? Sir, up to you. Do the prediction for what exactly? 5,000. Let's show you. 5,000 square foot actually. Yeah, good. Kindly make a note on this one. We done these are all things I guess actually. 8,59,000. What exactly? 8,59,000. Now here is the beauty. ML algorithm, it is talking with what is unknown data set. What is unknown? What do you mean by unknown, you know, sir? Sir, if a person also can talk. If you know customer is asking, talk with me, what is the price for 2,600? What is the price for 3,000? A person, a normal person also he can talk, he can validate actually. But suddenly, customers are coming, they're asking new data. You know, somebody is asking 5,000. Somebody is asking what exactly, sir? Then definitely it is a shaky moment actually. You know, hands will get shake. Why? Because he don't know the original value. That too, he should not say random value. If he's saying random value, immediately suddenly take the advance actually. I'm sorry for saying, take the advance, get ready, I need a land actually. Then it is a problem for them. That's what we need, nearby accurate value. We need what exactly? That nearby accurate value you can do by using machine learning. You can do, that's what you know. All real estate employees, they don't have a right value actually. They don't know. But they are using back-end machine learning algorithm to do the prediction. They are using machine learning algorithm to do what exactly, sir? Prediction. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Madam, are you clear? Good. All right. They don't have data. We need to talk from data actually. Then the simple approach is very simple. Model dot predict of మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? 5,000. Input you need to provide. What you need to provide? Input you need to provide. Then automatically you will get what exactly, sir? Output actually. చూడండి. I have one small question. Who is doing prediction here? ఇక్కడ prediction ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు? ML algorithm. Who is doing prediction? ML algorithm. That's the beauty actually. Okay. Are you clear till now? Yeah, good. It is not yet over. Yeah. Oh, yo. Jesus. Move on. Move on. Look at my screen. Daniel, any idea? Input. Any idea? Output. Both should be. Array. Input should be column. Output should be perfect. Creating a linear regression object. Sir, very simple. So here, REG, object name you can give anything. But here I have given a model actually. REG equals to linear regression. The total line is called as a object creation. During object creation, something executes. What is that? Object created up to something will execute. Constructor. Constructor. Make a note on this one. Yeah, good. One small exam I'm planning. Coming Saturday. Coming Saturday. First point, no exam. Exam kadu. It's a kind of some, so I'm sure we done pandas. I'm sure we done pandas. I will give two data sets actually. Data set number 1 I will give, comma, data set number 2 I will give from our material only. Then I will ask a question, use data set number 1, use data set number 1 and implement examples. Implement what exactly, sir? Examples actually. Anyway, one data set I will reveal directly with you. Did you remember group by? Did you remember group by? So imagine the group by data set is how much actually? Group by data set enta cheptara? 7 or 8. Hold on. Open the group by. Coming Saturday, sales file. Coming Saturday, first two data set I will give. Take sales file. Take what exactly, sir? Sales file. Sales file.csv. And bring your laptops. Open Jupyter. I will ask implement all group by example. Implement all what exactly? Group by scenarios. Group by what exactly? Scenarios. A kind of some, you will get a more hands-on experience. Almost 16 examples would you have. How many? That 16 examples we have to use Jupyter and we have to implement actually. Data set number 1 I will give. One more data set also I will give. Can you guess? Where is the guess chestara? Guess chestara? Where is the Don't guess, I will not give actually. That I will not give. Right guess, sir. మీరు గెస్ చేసింది రైట్, ఎవరికి చెప్పొద్దు. Okay, good. All right. Online team, I hope you understand. You have to implement by using Jupyter. This is a really good practice. Why? Because Python is the theory. You have to write the theory. But when it comes to pandas, you have to talk more implementation. You have to talk more what exactly, sir? Implementation actually. We are good to go. Let me stop this discussion. Let us continue. Yeah. Daniel, model is created. Well, if you wanted to train the model, you need to call a method. Method means fit method. Important points. To do the prediction, we need to call. That's it. అంతే సార్, అంతకు మించి ఇంకేం లేదు. More the next one. Predict price for 3300. Predict price for what exactly? 3300 actually. Yeah, good. We are doing prediction for 3300. Now the next prediction will be, we are doing prediction for 5000. Yeah, we are doing prediction for what exactly, sir? 5000. Are you clear till now? ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీకు అర్థమైందా? Good. Let me tell you one small important point. This point is very, very important. ఇది చాలా important point actually. Important point. Take the data set. Nice image, sir. Very nice actually. First one is area. The next one, price. Okay. Good. We'll do one thing. Sir, left hand side, what would we have? That is called as a, so this is called as a actual value. What value? Also called as a original value. దీని మనం ఏమంటాం? Original value. Original value. Then Daniel, do one thing. Let us do the prediction for, hold on. Let us just try to keep here actually. Now, we are using ML. We are using what exactly? ML. With ML, let us do the prediction for 2600. This is quite interesting. First of all, we already having 2600. What is the original value? Chapani? 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Let us just try to record the prediction value here. ఇక్కడ prediction value ఎంత వస్తుందో మనం చూద్దాం. First of all, did you understand? నేను చెప్పేది మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా? Yeah, good. Then what we can do? Take actual value, take prediction value, then you can find out the error. You can find out. Definitely. Whenever you are doing prediction, there are some errors, sir. There should be some error. Are you with me? Right. If it is a less error, good prediction. If it is the big error, wrong prediction actually. Sir, imagine go for India, New Zealand cricket match. My prediction will be 300. They hit almost 2. Enta? 250. Something. My prediction will be 270. They done almost 260, something like that. Then what is error value? Yeah. Now, if you wanted to understand the error, what we need to do now? Take the original value. We already know original value actually. Now let us just try to do the prediction. Are you ready? Prediction cheddam manam. Let us take this value. And now let us do the prediction. Chappan sir, ento oddam manu chappandi. 2600. Very good. Get ready actually. Regarding this error, I can talk later more actually, but understand the scenario. Wow, 5,33,000 on an average, something like this. Sir, idi manaki prediction ochindi. This is the prediction. This one is 50,000, this one is 33,000, 70,000 is the difference almost. 17. It's okay, accepted actually. Sir, the one who is planning to invest 5 lakhs actually, 10,000 or 5,000, that is okay, acceptable actually. Meeku ardhamayinda leda? But Daniel, I don't want that much big difference actually. First of all, that is not a big difference. That is almost nearby value. Then you need more data. And you need to apply some optimization techniques. You need to apply some what exactly, sir? Optimization techniques. Then error value ఎంత ఉందో చెప్పిన on an average 17k ఉంది. ఎంత ఉంది? That is okay, accepted actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Okay. Anyway, regarding error, we can learn more later actually. We can learn more later. Fine then. Sir, very important topic I'm going to talk with you. Very important topic. What is the topic, you know? Coefficient value and intercept value. Coefficient value and what exactly? Intercept value. Once model trained, then model having some default values. By using model, we can get sir, that's what I'm talking, you know, regarding the errors, upcoming topic. How to minimize the error, that is upcoming topic actually. We can see more later and later. Upcoming topic actual, upcoming topic. How to handle the error, you know, so these are all upcoming topic. But as of now, I have given a small hint actually. We are doing some prediction having some error. Errors are minimizable and we can accept actually. Errors మనం accept చేయాలి actually. Okay. Yeah. Once model is trained, once model trained actually, then by using model we can get coefficient value. What value, sir? Coefficient value. And the next one will be intercept value. Good. Point number 2. With model object, inside model, there are 2 special attributes. Attribute number 1. First attribute ఏంటో తెలుసా మీకు? coefficient, COEF underscore, special attribute, model dot, like that you need to call. Second attribute name is a intercept, model dot intercept actual underscore. Sir, I'm repeating again. One more time I'm talking with you. I will explain clearly step by step. Make a note on this one. Once model is ready, once model is trained, by using that model, we can call two special attributes. We can call two special attributes. First attribute name is called as a coefficient. What is the first attribute name? Coefficient. The predefined variable name is called as a COEF underscore. Second attribute name is a intercept. Do you wanted to see intercept value? Then intercept underscore actually. Intercept what exactly, sir? Underscore. Come on, let me show you. Ee rendu values ni manam call cheddam chudandi. Yeah, Daniel, model is trained. Model is what happened, sir? Trained actually. Let me just try to print special step. Get coefficient. I will tell you, are we using this one in real time? Not using, but you should ever. మనం యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు, బట్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో ఇవి జనరేట్ అవుతాయి. Print of model dot, what is the attribute name, sir? Coefficient. Call this. Yeah. What is the coefficient value? 135.78, something like this. Okay, Daniel. You can just try to get this value. Coefficient value is this one. Yeah, yes, sir. I will tell you. What is the use of coefficient? I will tell you, sir. Then next one. Let me capture the intercept. Let me capture what exactly intercept. First of all, take this example. Then the next value will be, what is the next value? Get the intercept value. Get what exactly? Intercept value. Sir, this coefficient value and intercept value helping to the model to do the prediction. Back end prediction is happening because of this coefficient value and intercept value. Back end lo prediction ela jarugutundi ante ML algorithm will use this coefficient value and intercept value to do the prediction. I will show you practically. I will show you practically. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. First of all, understand this. Focus, please. Dillam, are you clear? I need a response from you. Good, hold on. Daniel, can you tell me what is the use of? What is the use of coefficient and intercept? Machine learning algorithm using these values to do the prediction. To do what exactly mean? Prediction in the backend. But front end not required for us. The moment whenever you are calling predict method, sir, the predict method backend is using coefficient value and what exactly? Intercept value. Intercept value. Listen carefully. I have one small question for you. For today, for our problem, there is one formula you have to be understand. What is that formula, you know, sir? A formula into Japantara. The formula will be price equals to coefficient into area plus intercept. That is a formula. Back end lo formula lo untundi actual ga. Talk with me. Price equals to coefficient into area plus intercept actually. Intercept. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. Price for Daniel, I'm looking for price for 3400 equals to ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా? కోఎఫిషియంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ వాల్యూ సార్? కోఎఫిషియంట్ వాల్యూ ఎంతో చెప్తారా మీరు? ఓకే, లెట్ us just to capture the coefficient value. Okay, let us take this value. Into what is area sir? Area ఎంతో చెప్తారా? 3400. Then plus what is intercept value? Okay, great. Take this value. Wow, this much calculation happening in the back end actually. This much calculation is happening in the back end, right? Daniel, are you sure? Sir, let us calculate. మనం ఇది calculate చేద్దాం. చూడండి, మనం ఇది calculate చేద్దాం. I would like to say step number 7, prediction. We'll do one thing. Model dot predict of 3400 కి మనం ఇక్కడ predict చేద్దాం. At the same time, let us do manual process also. Yeah, I have created one small variable. Explicitly I am providing these are all. Then any idea what I need to print actually? నేను ఎక్కడ ఏం ప్రింట్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? Exactly, you got my point actually. It should be lower case. Variable m always should be lower case actually. Sir, now this one is a math calculation. This one is a ML calculation. Both calculations should be match. Both calculations should be. Then, you know, you can say your model is accurate model actually. చూడండి, మీకు సమస్య లేదు అసలు యాక్చువల్గా. We are getting the right value. We are getting what value? That's what you need to be understand. The moment, see, are you notice? 6,42,294, 6, sir, don't consider the digit values actually. Please, somebody telling, you know, sir, why digits matter? Sir, digits, sir. Paisa does not matter, I mean, dot, after dot not matter actually. This one is a accurate value. This one is what value? Accurate value. Now you have to be understand. Whenever you are calling the predict method, back end, what is involving, sir? Coefficient is involving. What is involving? Intercept is involving. If you really understand these steps actually, now conclusion of the story, math is not required. Conclusion of the story, you need to understand how to call a predict method is important. How to call what method is important? Predict method. Sir, meeku ippudu ardhamayinda? Why coefficient actually? Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. Online team, I know this step is kind of some, you have to practice. Meer practice chestene ardham avutundi. Go back to the material. I know yesterday I have skipped a few points actually. You know, go back to the material. Go back to the material. Yesterday, intentionally I have skipped one formula. Either did you notice? Yeah. What is the formula? House price equals to M. What is M here? Coefficient. What is a B? Intercept. Good. Now look at the diagram. Y equals to mx plus b. This one is called as a linear regression formula. Here y, predicted output. Y cap, predicted output actually. What is x actually? X amount on there is input. What is x, sir? Input. Sir, when it comes to m, you can also call as a coefficient, you can also call as a slope actually. And here b is called as a intercept. B is called as a, I'm pretty sure you understand this formula. No doubt in that actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Exactly. Now you can just have to come here. Yeah, we are capturing the coefficient value and we are capturing intercept value. I have a small question. Here, what is intercept actually? Intercept మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? Special attribute. If any attribute is ending with underscore symbol, ఆ attribute మనం ఏమని పిలవాలి అంటే స్పెషల్ attribute. అది స్పెషల్ attribute అనమాట. Yeah, good. Special attributes. Let me tell you, it is having low priority, double underscore having high priority, sir. A kind of some private, protected, these are all being getting involving actually. Private mode, protected mode. Okay, good question. Yeah, intercept and coefficient value actually. Yeah, exactly. Make a note on this one. Now here is a small calculation. What is a calculation? Y equals to mx plus b. M is a coefficient and b is intercept. Let's calculate the above formula. Just for fun we done manually, but in real time we are not doing this. In real time what we need to do? Call predict method. What method? Why? Because we are not mathematicians. We are a Python programmers. We are what exactly, sir? Being a Python guy, you should know method calling actually. Don't say I don't know. In the given formula, m is the coefficient and b is the intercept. Y equals to mx plus b. And this one is m value. Here I am giving how much actually? 33,000. Sir, awesome. You got the right value actually. You got what value, sir? Right value. I am pretty sure you understand, I guess. Okay. Online team, did you understand till here? I need one response from everybody. Did you understand till here? ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా? Thank you. Thank you. Shafina ma'am, Nageswarav sir, Supriya boss, Shravan sir. Very good. If you really understand, sir, always first algorithm is the base. If you understand the first algorithm, all algorithms are like this actually. Go back to the Python. If you understand list data structure, tuple set dictionary, we played game actually. We given left and right. Tuple set dictionary, these are all things. Kada? Okay. Let's close this. Sir, but let me tell you. Almost. There is a one example. Okay, example on the man material law. Steps from ఈ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ లో స్టెప్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 7 అనే స్టెప్ 1 to what exactly 7 అనే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది కదా దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ సార్ మినిమం 5 times యాక్చువల్లీ 5 సార్లు చేస్తే గానీ మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది మినిమం 5 times యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ వై బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సార్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లే విత్ ద డేటా సెట్ and there is many things we need to learn actually. If you really understand till now, almost I can say 80% is done, and remaining 20% is what is the next discussion, you know. Inka next discussion into chepmantara. Best fitted line. Wow, get ready sir, we have a time. Let me explain. Now model is ready. What is ready? Model. Algorithm is ready. By using that algorithm, you need to draw a line. That is called as a prediction line. That is called as a, are you with me or not, sir? Now, previously, what we done is, ఇంతకు ముందు మనం ఏం చేసాము అంటే, yeah, ఎందుకు Daniel, here you have image, right? Yeah. Previously, this one is the image we have drawn actually. This one is with the original data we have drawn. Now, ML algorithm is ready. Model is ready. What is ready, sir? By using this model, what we can do, you know, draw a line over the data. That step is the pending that we are going to do. Now, you know, you are going to line like this actually. I don't have a scale, I'm sorry. We are going to draw the line like this. This is called as a prediction line. What line actually, sir? Prediction line. Indirectly, this line is helping us. Hey, are you looking? Exactly, sir. Just now we done prediction for 3400 actually. 3400. This one should be Y value. ఎంత వచ్చింది Y గుర్తుందా మీకు? 6 lakhs? ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? 42,000 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా. I don't have a scale, I'm sorry. Please sir, కంగారు పెట్టొద్దు. Let me draw actual. Yeah, exactly. That is a value. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Very good, man. Indirectly, what is helping here? Line is helping. That line we need to draw. How to draw that line, you know? It's very simple. That's it. Over actually. But there is a small step here. Machine learning is very easy. Condition number one, if you are strong in Python. If you are strong in, otherwise you can see stars in the sky. Python ganaka meeku teliyapothe chala kashtam untadi. That's what I'm telling. That day one onwards, sir, Python. What is there today? Linear regression is a class we have imported. We created an object. To do the training, we call a method. To do the prediction, we call a, sir, calling method, creating an object. These are all topics belongs to the Python. That's what I given high priority. Either you remember or not. In Python, total 28 sessions I covered actually. How many? All are important, sir. Especially whoops topic is very, very important. Whoops topic, functions, written keyword. Ayo, these are all diamond oriented topics actually. Yeah, very good. This line we are going to draw actually. This line we are going to draw. Yeah, we will draw. Anyway, let me draw the example today. Let me write an example today, and tomorrow I will explain this one clearly. We have some time. Can I continue? Sir, your faces are dull actually. Can I continue? Okay, fine then. I will respect actually. This best fitted line, let me do tomorrow actually. No. Different. Somebody is asking all models based on different actually. Sir, don't worry, different algorithm. All are not same actual. We'll continue tomorrow. Let us keep my signature, Daniel. But I request you, before you are coming for tomorrow, you have to do practice that example many number of times, sir. And what is the pending from my side? Chaptara, na side nunchi em pending undi. ఒకటి రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్. ఈ రోజు కూడా డేటా సెట్ కనుక అప్లోడ్ చేయకపోతే ఐ నో యూ విల్ కమ్ టు మై హోమ్ యాక్చువల్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ కిడింగ్. Today let me upload only these two, sir. Yeah. Why? Because on high priority, let's give this one. Do the regular practice. Here itself I am updating. Yeah, first let us upload running notes. Running notes upload చేస్తాను చూడండి. Machine learning cinema started actually. ఇదే కదా. Don't miss tomorrow session. All right, online team, we done for today's session, sir. Take care. Yeah, please, you can let you go. And I have uploaded everything. Please make a note on this one. We have to do practice. In 1 minute.